Pancóga. Máirt na Pancóga bhí ann. Bhí sé leabhar tar éis a trí. Tháinig na páistí a bhaile ón scoil agus rinne siad an obair bhaile. Ansin, déach siad an teilifís. Bhí cartún ar siúl. Bhí Daddy, Mummy agus Séamie sa chistin. Bhí plúr, óbh, im agus bainne an mór. Rinne Daddy na Pancóga. Chuir sé sú limonóidí agus siúcra orthú. Chuir sé na Pancóga san aion. Chlé Mummy na páistí. Rith na páistí isteach sa chistin. Hí an chathair acu ag an mór. Thosaigh siad ag ithe. Is bra lom Pancóga. Chas Daddy timpeall ach bhí na Pancóga imethe. Cá bhfuil na Pancóga go léir sa Daddy. Tá na Pancóga imethe. De Rossa na Pancóga sa cliana. Níor de Gordo na Pancóga sa Rossa. Rinne Mummy sé Pancóg eile. Chuir sí spúnog uachtaróte na Pancóga. Rólaigh sí suas na Pancóga. Chuir sí anlán seachláide orthú. De an chlán na Pancóga. Bhí siad go hálín glán Rossa an pláta lena bhéir. Honnic Mummy Thosaigh Rossa ag goire agus ansin dis sé Pancóg eile fós. Thosaigh Mummy ag goire freisin. Rossa, cad atá á dhéanamh agat? Gá mo leithscéal. Okay, so the title to this story is Pancakes, Pancóga. Máirt na Pancóga bhí ann, so it was Pancake Tuesday, and bhí sé leabhar tar éis a trí. It was 3:30. Tháinig na páistí a bhaile ón scoil. The children came home from school and rinne siad an obair bhaile. They did their homework. Ansin is then déach siad. They looked an television, at television. Bhí cartún ar siúl. There was cartoons on. Bhí Daddy, Mummy agus Séamie sa kitchen. So Daddy, Mummy and Séamie were in the kitchen, and there was plúr, which is flour, óbh are eggs, im is butter, and bainne an mór. Rinne Daddy na Pancóga. Daddy made the pancakes. He chuir sé sú limonóidí. He put lemon juice agus siúcra orthú. Lemon juice and sugar on them. He put the pancakes in the iron, in the oven. Mummy called, so glé Mummy na páistí. Rith na páistí isteach sa kitchen, and the children ran isteach, which is in sa kitchen, into the kitchen. And it's leather tar éis a cúig, so it's 5:30. Hí an chathair acu ag an mór. So he means sat, the four of them sat ag an mór at the table. And Rossa says, is bralum Pancóga. I love pancakes. Thosaigh siad ag ithe. They started ag ithe is eating. Now, cos Daddy timpeall. Daddy turned around, but ach bhí na Pancóga imethe. Daddy turned around, but the pancakes were gone. And Daddy says, where are the pancakes? Where are all the pancakes? And Cliana says, tá na Pancóga imethe. The pancakes are gone. De Rossa na Pancóga. Rossa ate the pancakes. And then Rossa says, níor I didn't eat. I didn't eat them. De Gordo na Pancóga. Gordo ate the pancakes. Gordo's the dog. Rinne Mummy sé Pancóg eile. So Mummy made 6 other pancakes. And she put chuir sí spúnog uachtaróte. So she put a spoonful of uachtaróte, which is ice cream, on the pancakes. Rólaigh sí suas na Pancóga. She rolled up the pancakes. Kirshi anlon shakloija erhu. She put chocolate sauce on them. Dehan clan na Pancóga. So the family ate the pancakes. Vi she'd go hauling. They were lovely. Glan Rasa and Plata. Rasa cleaned the plate, Lenaver with his finger. And Hunnick Mommy Mommy saw him. Hussig Rasa Goira. So Rasa started Goira laughing. Agus anshin and then di she Pancóg ella fos. And then he ate another pancake. Hussig Mommy Goira freshen. Mommy started laughing. Freshen means also. And in the end, Mummy says, Russa, Kadata a Yenevagot. What are you doing? Mummy says. And Russa says, Gama leshgale, which means excuse me.